Alright, YouTube, I'm losing my voice here, but I'm trying my hardest. We got friggin' SixDogs1 in the house.
What's going on?
This awesome friggin' setup that I've never seen before. Reminds me of an A21 Bravo back in the day. This shit looks crazy. Now I'm gonna hear it.
First time demoing in my damn car, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got my boy EXO over here. We're both shooting YouTubers here at the same time, so. My baby, my wife's back here taping.
Shut the fuck up.
That's nice, man.
One more quick one.
What are these? What are they?
The level 3s.
Level 3s?
Yeah, PC level 3s. 8 PC level 3s on a 7.5K.
Up here is like twice as loud as when I was sitting right here. Just putting my head back out here, I was like, oh.
I want to try it at the head, man. I haven't ever
damn.
at the head.
Way to go, SixDogs, man.
Appreciate it, bro.
Fucking, I appreciate the demo and the mag, man. It's the first time I've ever sat in it. I've seen it on everywhere, but never sat in it.
Man, that's what I'm
That's
talking
great.
about. Y'all better click on this channel too. SixDogs1. 6Dogs and the number 1.
Swing Break Nationals 2013. See you guys later.